Have you ever wondered about the current state of criminal laws in the country? How they are enacted, implemented, and eventually, how they affect our lives? Well, let's delve into it. In December of 2023, 3 new criminal laws were passed by the Parliament. These laws are set to be implemented across the country, a process that is expected to take between 9 months to a year. The first step towards this massive implementation is a pilot project set to begin in Ahmedabad within the next 2 months. According to a senior government official, except for a few areas with connectivity issues, in the next year, 90% of the area will experience the reach of these new laws. But how will these laws be implemented? Well, a pyramid setup has been designed, with a task force constituted under the Bureau of Police Research and Development overseeing the training of police personnel. 3,000 master trainers will train these personnel, percolating to each district in the coming months. The National Crime Records Bureau will work to integrate other wings of the criminal justice system, including the interoperable criminal justice system, the National Automated Fingerprint Identification System, the Adjournment Alert Module, the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System, among others. The integration of these independent modules aims to result in a faster criminal justice system, in tune with the 3 criminal laws. Chandigarh will be the first station to see the integration and implementation of these multiple platforms. All of this data will be stored in the cloud, promoting scientific investigation and forensics-based investigations. 900 mobile vans will be dispatched to 885 districts, each at a cost of 55 lakh rupees, with 25% of the cost borne by the states. Home Minister Amit Shah has communicated this information to the chief ministers of all states, with the exception of 2. This move has been welcomed by all states. A key feature of these new laws is the creation of the post of a separate director of prosecution in each district. This will empower victims to challenge the acquittal of an accused in any case, freeing them from the mercy of the public prosecutor or the police. Now you may be wondering about the new laws. They are the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which replaces the Indian Penal Code of 1860, the Bharatiya Sakshya, which replaces the Indian Evidence Act of 1872, and the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, which replaces the Code of Criminal Procedure of 1898. These were all notified in the Gazette of India on December 25, 2023. These laws also have provisions for cases against fugitives and those wanted in terror cases. Even if these cases were registered under the old Indian Penal Code, their trial in absentia could be held under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. This move is expected to pave the way for extradition. In conclusion, these new laws mark a significant shift in the country's criminal justice system. By integrating various modules and promoting scientific investigation, they aim to expedite justice. The creation of the Director of Prosecution post in each district empowers victims and holds promise for a more equitable justice system. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see the impact these laws will have on our society.